Hello creativables, I'm Kavish Sharma and you're watching Kavish Tech. So I'm making this video after a long time, but Xiaomi has launched a new smartphone again. Yes, again in 10 days, two phone. This phone is named as Redmi's 6 Pro. So the design is quite same like iPhone 10, like a notch feature is there, and some specifications is quite same as Redmi's Note 5 Pro. So after seeing this phone, I was not excited because this is quite same as Redmi's Note 5 Pro. So what Xiaomi did, I didn't know, but this is quite same as Redmi's Note 5 Pro. So let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do make subscription and please watch this video till the end. So Redmi 6 Pro is launched recently last Sunday in China, and when it will be launched in India, I don't know actually, and the pricing is also not known. It's approx. Okay. This phone comes with a 5.84-inch screen and a 19:9 display. 19:9 is a new thing, but I think that Nokia's X6 has come with this notch. Xiaomi's Redmi 6 Pro is a successor to the popular Redmi Note 5 Pro, which has got much popularity in the Indian market. So Xiaomi has again launched a new smartphone. This is Redmi 6 Pro, and this comes with a 5.84-inch screen, 19:9 display, the Snapdragon 625 chipset, and a 4000 mAh battery. I don't know why Xiaomi is giving that old chipset SoC Snapdragon 625, because it is quite old. It's last year the Snapdragon has released this processor, but I don't know why Xiaomi has been giving this processor in Note 5 Pro and Note 5 also, and now it has been given by Xiaomi in the Note 6 Pro. So the Redmi 6 Pro price starts at CNY 999, roughly around 10,400 in India for 3GB and 32GB RAM, and CNY 1199, roughly around 13,400 in India for 4GB and 64GB RAM. The dual SIM Xiaomi's Redmi 6 Pro runs on Android based MIUI 9 and 5.84-inch Full HD display with a 1080x2280 pixel display with 84% NTSC color gamut. It is powered by a Snapdragon 625 SoC clocked up to 2 GHz, coupled with Adreno's 506 GPU and a 3GB and 4GB of RAM. The Redmi 6 Pro supports a dual rear camera setup with a 12MP primary sensor featuring 1.5 micron pixels, apart from the 5MP secondary sensor, and the front camera of 5MP with AI portrait mode and HDR. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery. So this was Redmi Note 6 Pro, and hope Xiaomi will be bringing some good phones in the market. Xiaomi's main aim is to get consumers with less money. So these phones will be better if you are looking for budget smartphones. So hope you have liked the video. So please do give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, have a good day.